Hello guys, this is Mohsen AR from Signbox software, and in this tutorial I will tell you about comment in Java. So basically there are three comments in Java. Let me show you. So guys, there are three comments in Java. Number one is a single line comment, and number second is a multiple line comments, and the third one is for documentation comment. Basically these both are most commonly used in Java, and this one is used for whenever you want to create automatically documentation for a Java. There is a tool, or you can say the documentation for your API for your project, uh, that we will discuss in the later videos when we will create documentation for our projects. So in this video I will talk about only these two, and these are most commonly used in Java, but this is also used in Java, but not as commonly as they both are. So let's see the example. Basically comments are like cannot read by a Java compiler. If you comment anything, if you apply comment to anything, that thing will not read by the Java, or that code will not read by the Java. So like this one. Now this statement is commented, so this will not read by the Java. Whenever I apply a comment to any line or any code, that code or line will skipped by Java compiler. So in this example, the line 3 will be skipped and it will not be read by the compiler. So Java C, hello 1, hello 2, hello 4, and the 3 is skipped. And if you want to uh, skip all these conditions, then you can use multiple line comment. It will start with the forward slash, then asterisk, and it ends with the asterisk and then forward slash. So in this example, there will not be any output just because of I have comment all the statements. So this is called the multiple line comment, and the uh, this is called the single line comment. This is this is single line comment. Why we use comment in Java? Whenever we want comment to anything, like this one. Uh, this is main method and it is entry gate of Java program. So now whenever a new developer will come to see my code, then that developer will first read the comment, and then he or she will understand what this method will do. So I wrote that this is main method and it is entry gate of a Java program. So this comment will be skipped by compiler, and compiler will not read this one or will not throw any error if I use the English language here. So if you want to write a paragraph here, then you can add multiple line comment here. Now inside this one you can write anything you want, and that will be used or read by any of developer. So this is all about the comment, and basically this comment for documentation we will use this later on, just because of there is a no need of this, but there is this is also is a part of the comment in a Java. So guys, this is all about comment in Java. Hope you understand the comment, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and like this video. Thank you guys.